Is it for sale or is it more for show?
I'm showing it off today.
Okay.
Probably not for sale today. Maybe in the future at some point, but
right.
It's just so freaking cool.
It's a great card.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is Kyle from Wax Museum, and I am in Carmel, Indiana at the American Legion. This just so happens to be the closest card show to where I'm at this morning, so I decided that I would go ahead and go. So, as always, hoping to find Pacers cards, maybe more likely here, because it is Indiana, but who knows. So anyway, I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride, and we'll see what we can find.
Like eyeballing it. I think that's about right, but really it's half. A little
It's on Amazon. Get like 10,000 of them for like $9.
I mean, I got two of these. This one I will I am. I'll just go get myself. Anything next door?
No, I'm good.
You say like it's cool, just don't tip me. No, just one time.
This is called the Audi in the place. Oh yeah.
I got a gold tape right there.
I don't fuck the place on that,
Hey, it's my buddy.
If there's anything you want to look at, let us know, bro.
All right, thank you. Okay.
I just show you like the players on it. I mean, it's a sick patch.
Right.
If you want to see a picture of it, I've got a picture of it if you'd like.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is awesome. All right, thank you. I appreciate it. It's my guy right there, Jarris. So, Nimhart 2 out of 3. That's awesome.
I don't blame Fat Dan's. That's the restaurant right next
What
to
was
it.
the,
Oh, no, I'm in this lot.
Yeah, I'm just saying though, fat people are parking in that parking, and I don't blame the restaurant because they're like, that's my customers can't park here.
Hell no, yeah, that's
okay.
makes sense.
Got a ripped card. Already ripped though. Oh, these are tough.
Now, when it's your neighbor's roots messing up your house, is that a neighbor's?
Probably I'm gonna have to end up bringing just my old stuff here, and that's it.
Did you try that?
Because I can do a table of old stuff with vintage. Problem is that's not who my customers are. I may just have to leave Noblesville as my lower end stuff and do this as my old stuff, and that's it.
Yeah, you gotta flip a coin, I guess.
I don't know what else to do.
Does he know his tree is?
Now these boxes have a ton of stuff added to them that you guys haven't seen.
That happened to us in our.
Yeah, thank you though.
Yeah, buddy. I want to see you that long.
You know.
You must have hit one of them today. This is different.
I'm trying to think who it was. One of the Big Ten teams, they beat like 129 to 110. I want to say it was Michigan. And I remember being at that game just going, and I mean, I'd seen them on TV, but to see them in person, I'm like, this is insane.
It's all the defense of an NBA All-Star game.
Exactly.
Yep.
I mean, I remember Westhead said they wanted to get a shot up every 8.9 seconds. And you're like, there's no way. And you watched it, and you're like, there's a way.
What, I'd like to go back and look and see what his record was with the Lakers. He coached the Lakers
He
for a
did.
bit, right?
Yeah.
And I don't think it was very successful.
It was that.
He asked you a question?
You know, it's fun to watch that, but it also wore you out. You're like, all right, I want to see a game. This is just like a throw it down and just run and chuck it up and run down the other
I
end.
do like
Yeah,
the
this is-
flash
And there was
of
no, you're right, there was no defense.
Less structured than a blacktop game. I mean, just
today.
Okay, I just have to see it right there in front of us. You won't see anything. I'm gonna pay $500.
All my singles I have out here.
All right, so I'm back out in the car here. That was a really good show. I'm glad I ended up going to that one. As you saw probably in the video, there are 2 stories to this American Legion, and it was pretty packed. Pretty good selection of stuff. Obviously, it was good for me just because it was different stuff than I normally see, but I spent $15 today, though. Nothing that I really had to have, but building this Pacers Hoops Premium Silver set. So I got this Nimhard for $1. I got Tristan Newton for $1. Pascal Siakam for $1, and that's really about my max that I'll spend on those silvers. I mean, they'll be on ComC for probably 40 cents, but if I can find them in person for $1, I'll get them. I got this Rakia Jackson silver for $2. I think the Sparks are going to be, I think they're going to get a lot of attention this year. I'll put it that way. So this stuff's probably printed to the moon, but I feel pretty good about that one. This is the Eric Piatowski Hoopla Plus. And then we got this Jerry West here. This is the 96 refractor reprint set that I've been very slowly working on. I'll never have the Jordan, but I think I can get the rest of them. So that's kind of the goal. So anyway, really enjoyed that one. I hope you guys enjoyed the recap. I couldn't do a lot of GoPro box digging footage because it was packed in there. And it's just kind of hard to maneuver around sometimes. All right, the next stop is the Indy Card Exchange. And I went to this shop years ago, but not in this location. So I've heard a lot about it. I want to see the Michael Jordan bar, so I'm going to try to show you guys that as well. Let's go ahead and go inside and see what we can find.
We just got all of these this week because they usually don't last a week.
The variation.
Oh. My buddy tried to extract
Have a good one.
Yeah, I've had so many.
As I said, we're gonna have a lot of yards.
It's crazy.
I would actually come down here and plant it on the market.
Which one would you like?
Huh?
Which one would you like? There's 2 on top and then there's 5 on each side.
I'll just separate one.
On this side?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
It's just like purchase, I get free magnetic case.
Yeah.
All right, so here is the famous Jordan bar. This is really cool. This is where a lot of people are ripping products, and they've got all sorts of Jordan cards here. It's actually hard to get up here. It's so busy in the shop today. A lot of good stuff happening in here. All right, so as you can see here on this final clip, the shop really filled up in the short time I was able to be there. I was really impressed with the shop overall, and I tried to show you a quick sampling of the kinds of stuff you might see in there. There's a lot of different stuff at a lot of different price points, and I even moved a few cards of my own while I was in there, and the shop was very fair with me. So there you have it. If you're ever in Central Indiana, I definitely recommend stopping by the Carmel Card Show and the Indy Card Exchange shop. For those of you that are wondering, I've still got a lot of other footage from the Pacers games and a couple other stops. I'm going to try and finish all that up in the next few days, but it's been a very busy couple of days for me. In the meantime, though, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.